everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm CasseyNicole, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me chit chat video. I was going to do something else, but I decided to do this just so that I can kind of talk to you guys and talk to you guys about some stuff, little updates, and also y'all can see me get ready. I have a court date. Yeah, got a court date, and I'm just getting ready for that. And then I was just like, why not just do a chit chat get ready with me, since you want to be super cute and just record while you talking. So I was just like, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I already sprayed my Pro Base on my face, let it sit for a little bit and let it, you know, dry up. Then I already did my eyebrows off camera, but we just couldn't go back to those because I'm not liking them. But you guys, I got in a car accident like a while back, and I was supposed to go to court in December, and it's just been freaking crazy. Like, of course I live in North Carolina, so we had snow, so then they had to we had snow, so then they had to redo the whole thing over again, and so I was just like, oh my god. So yeah, now we working on that. But y'all, unfortunately, the guys at Lewisburg had their last home game. So the next time I'll be at Lewisburg, actually I will be at Lewisburg one more time. We have to do our graduation cap and gown fitting and stuff. And so I just can't wait to walk. Like, that's gonna be the happiest day of my life. Oh, let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm going in with my foundation, the matte Poreless Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cappuccino and in the color Coconut. So 355 is Coconut and 340 is Cappuccino, and I'm just gonna mix that together on my hand because I cannot find my true foundation shade. So yeah, but back to the car accident. Like, y'all, like, when I used to hear people little stories about how they used to get in how they got in a car accident and stuff, like, it would be really scary. And to be honest, I really thought that, you know, how slow I drive, everybody always talking about I drive so slow, and I just, to be honest, never thought it could happen to me. I mean, I've always kind of been nervous driving, period, because, you know, you got these people who want to make stupid decisions and drink and drive, and so I just kind of never really thought it was gonna happen to me. And then when it did, like, y'all, I cried that whole day. That whole day, I cried. Like, how it happened was, I was on my way home. Actually, I was going to Raleigh with a friend, and because I wanted to go to the mall. I ain't have no more classes, she ain't have no more classes, so then, you know, I was just like, girl, come on, let's go to Raleigh, let's go to the mall, let's just chill. And so on my way home, I was telling her that I don't text and drive because I was texting my father one day, and my phone buzzed off. I have like a little phone holder in my car, and I was texting my dad one day, and I kind of glanced at it, and where I was, I should have never looked at it. Like, I was kind of close to going over the rail because of how fast I was driving. Well, not fast, but like the speed I was driving, and then like just answering a text message wasn't gonna be smart. So I just glanced at it and tried to read what he said, like, and then yeah, it was close. I was real close. And so I was just telling her that in like 2.5 seconds, like, I was looking up. Luckily I wasn't on my phone. I was looking up, and we was just talking, and I looked down to do something. Looked up, and the lady in front of me, she swerved to try to avoid hitting the person in front of her, and I was already on brakes, and then like I was skirt douche, like it kind of sounded like that too. Like, I ran right into the back of her. Luckily she was okay, her car, nothing was wrong with her car or whatever, but yeah. And I called. The first thing I did, my friend said, get out the car because the car's gonna blow. When she said that, I was like, at the time I was out of it. The only thing at the time I remembered was the airbag just hitting me in my face, and I'm like getting like hit to the seat. And I was just like, what in the world? And so I'm going in with my NYX primer for my eyes. And so I just ended up out of it. So I had to, I got out my car, left my car where it was, and I got out the car and I made sure the lady was okay. And like, my hand was shaking like this. Y'all, I've never been in a car accident before. I was just like, everything was going through my head. Then I looked over, the lady said she was okay. I ended up looking at my car, and my car literally looked like it was just peeing on itself, like I don't know what was leaking out of the front of my car. And it was just bad, y'all. Like, I would insert the pictures, but I would have to go through too much to find them. I may insert the pictures, I don't know. Don't hold me to that. And so, y'all, that thing got me. So she said she was okay, the cops were called, and then I just remember looking back at my car like, what am I gonna do? And my sister, me and her were sharing a car at the time. So now I'm trying this, remember how I said that I'm going in, that I was gonna try like the, whatchamacallit concealer? Like, dang, I'm having a brain fart. The cream concealer, I'm trying that today. This is the NYX color corrector or whatever. And so, I messed around and I was just like, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. How am I gonna tell my dad? Like, what am I gonna do? And the first thing I did was I made sure the lady was okay. Then I was just like, I need to call my dad. I need to call my dad. I need to call my dad. So the first thing I grabbed when I got out of the car was my phone. Like, the first thing I grabbed was my phone. Like, y'all, I had some good old hibachi in the back. Like, I was ready. Like, I was gonna have some leftovers. Everything. Shot. And so I called my dad, and when I just heard his voice and he said hello, I just broke down. I said, Daddy, I just got in a car accident. And he was just like, Casey, where you at? And I was just like, I'm down the street from the house. And he was just like, okay, I'm on the way. Luckily, my mom and dad, they just walked in the house. And they had just walked in the house. And so traffic started getting backed up, and I started feeling bad because I was just like, all these people gotta go somewhere. And then, like, I don't know. I was just worried about everybody else but me. And so, my dad came. When I saw him and my mom, I broke down. Cried because me and my sister were sharing a car. Then I was just like, I don't know how we gonna do this? How we gonna get to and fro? I feel bad because now my sister's gonna have to like cop rides from people. And I felt so guilty. And I was just like, even though I wasn't texting, I wasn't drunk, I don't know how it happened. And so I felt really bad. And I was just like, you know what? I don't know what I'm gonna do. So my dad was just like, Casey, you know what? Calm down. It's gonna be okay. Things happen. So once the cop came, everything else was good. You know, that happened. But y'all, I'm about to finish up. I'm trying to find what I'm looking for and I can't. Yeah, so y'all, that was a crazy experience. Like, it shook me. I called my brother Devin. Big ups to him. And y'all, I ain't never cried so much in my life. I've never. Is that the wind? I never cried so much in my life. I'm in his room right now. Like, I have never cried so much in my life. Like, Devin, you know how dad be like, everything is okay, but then he really be stressing, and then, oh my God, like, I'm just, oh. Okay, come on, Concealer. Yep. So, that's the story of my little car accident. So now I gotta go handle it. And I'm ready to get this thing over with. Like, I had to take a 4-hour driving class. I had to take a driver's class. And the driver's class was actually pretty lit. Like, I know a lot of people just like, you gotta sit in it for 4 hours, but the man, like, I ain't gonna snitch on him. You know, I ain't gonna snitch on him, but he was actually really lit. Like, I liked him. He was cool. Now, if I would have had to do it with somebody else who was boring, I would have been like, shot. Like, y'all got me messed up. Like, but yeah, he was actually pretty cool. I liked him. Like, I'm talking y'all head off, but I'm about to finish this and then I'm gonna come back, talk some more. Alright, so guys, now I'm going into, I found these new little cute palettes at the beauty supply store. I was in there trying to find something and then I just found these. This is the one, like a natural color one. It's the Master Shadow Collection. It's by Icon Pro by Absolute New York. And like, y'all get a lot of my makeup from the beauty supply store. Like, I just feel like if the beauty supply store makeup and brands that you can get can do the same thing as Anastasia and Jaclyn Hill and Tarte, why not just get it? I mean, yeah, I understand that, you know, quality and stuff, which I'm gonna get some, you know, to try it out and stuff, but I feel like as of right now, if this can get me where I need to go and the look I want, then I'm gonna get it. So this right here is the Icon Pro by Absolute New York, and it has these wonderful colors in it. I was just telling a girl at my job that these colors is amazing. And it's hard because it's a lot of, I love natural makeup, and that's what I'll do a lot on my channel is natural makeup. And like, I don't know, I be here like, what color am I gonna do? But I got another one. I'll probably like feature that one in another one, but it has more so of like the redder tones and oranges and then like matte colors. So I'm just gonna keep it simple today, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here and then put that on top because this is the matte of this. So I'm just gonna do that actually, and I'm gonna go in with this one and this one to like kind of darken it up. So this one and this one. Yeah. I forgot that I'm not in my room and I don't have my freaking whatchamacallit. And like, yo, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, this palette is too cute. It's too cute. And I got it from my local beauty supply store, and it was like, if I'm not mistaken, it's $16, $16.99. Or yeah, $16.99 sounds about right. It's like $16.99. So I'm gonna go in and put that on my transition area of my lid. Like, y'all, I'm really going out of steps. I really am. I'm just getting ready. I don't even have my cork over here. I don't know what time. All right, so then after that, I'm going in with that color right here and putting that all over my lid. I already put my primer up there and concealer when I was like, look at that, y'all. Like, that is amazing. Heifers ain't sent me my brushes yet, and I'm getting upset. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush that powder off. Y'all see my hair? Like, it's freaking, what's my calling it? It's freaking, what's my calling it? I don't know what a whatchamacallit is. My mom hates that. She hates it. I'm like, go get that thing. What is the thing? What is the thing? She's so funny. So now I'm putting my lashes on. Like, I always get these lashes if I want just a nice simple look, and which is technically always, but like, if I don't want to do too much to my face, well, I want to do all the whole makeup thing, but then I want it to be just subtle up here, then I always wear these. And these are like the double up lashes from Ardell, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are the double up lashes from Ardell.